Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Now, you may have seen some of the ads either on Google or, maybe just in your email or other places for a company called Manscaped. So I've been seeing these ads a lot, probably based on something that I clicked on, and pretty much what I think their initial product is a manscaper. So it's essentially what I believe is an electric razor to clean everything up, and it's made to really work with the different type of hair, especially body hair like this, both up top and down below. So that's what the Manscaper is really called, and that's kind of what they're known for. So they sent me the product, and I'm looking forward to checking that out. And we're going to take a look and see what's in the box. And I just actually opened the main box really quick, and there's a bunch of stuff in it that I did not even realize that they also produce. So looking forward to try that right here with you. So let's really go ahead and give that a shot. So let's go, grabbing the box here. Look, they sent me a cool little t-shirt. Let's go ahead and put that on real quick. Might as well. And this is the first time I'm really checking this stuff out, and I've used some other products, like a back groomer type thing. I don't have all that much hair, but enough that I don't really like it. There you go, Manscaped. Pretty cool. Let's see. Cool. Nice. All right. This is made in the USA. All right. So besides the shirt, let's see what else we got in here. This is called the Manscaped Refining the Gentleman Crop Mop Ball Wipe with Active pH Control. That sounds kind of dirty. It says anti-chafing, moisturizing, deodorizing ball wipes, perfect for on the go. Not sure how I'm going to do a review. Obviously not going to do it on the video, but I will try it out. Let me go ahead, open this real quick. Let's just see what they smell like. Oh. They don't smell like anything because they're individually wrapped. Alright, well, I'm going to try that. It says 1 pH balanced wipe. So that's pretty interesting. Well, you know what? We gotta try it right here. Let's see what it smells like. It smells pretty clean. Yeah, it smells not like an aloe, but just like a really clean, fresh scent, almost like a cologne type scent. Pretty good. Not very strong or anything. No residue. I'm gonna try that off camera, and I'll let you know how that goes in the review for the Crop Mop Ball Wipe. All right, next here we have Refined by Manscaped. So this is a cologne. All right. Kind of picky on my colognes, don't really use that many. So there you go. Refined by Manscaped. Let's see, a clean and fresh scent designed for the refined gentleman. Opening with a light citrus burst. It dances around with a gentle touch of sambac jasmine before settling into the anchoring notes of vetiver and light woods. No idea what that means, so let's see what it smells like. Spray it like the girls spray it. Hey, that's not too bad. It actually smells pretty good. And it's really different than a lot of the ones that I've used in the past. Trying to get an idea of how I can describe the smell of this. Smell the citrus. Has more of like a sporty type smell maybe that you would expect, but definitely a clean smell to it with some of the citrus notes like they mentioned. It's pretty nice. I think I'm going to check that out. Not overpowering either. So that's pretty cool. Next we have the Manscaped Chop Cleanser Hair and Body Wash. It's 8 ounces. So there you have that. Let's see, it has the active pH control in it, a bunch of different stuff. Water, aloe, some other leaf, who knows what that is. So let's go ahead and take a whiff of what this smells like. Kind of like that aloe smell, and a lot like those ball wipes. Kind of has, not like a menthol, but almost something like that. And I can already feel that this is very, very, I guess, very, very soapy. So some of these ones you may have purchased that are a little bit higher priced, even though this bottle is 8 ounces, it's going to last a really long time because you just need a little bit and you can cover your whole body. So I'm guessing that's it. But the review, I'll talk about this more of actually how it smells once I put it on and been using it. Next, this is the Manscaped shears. I told you there's a bunch of different stuff that they sent me. I didn't even realize they have this much stuff. And this stuff is really nice. Completely nice. Nicely packaged. This would be an awesome little gift. Feels like some type of, either it's a leather or a pleather. It doesn't really say that's real leather, but it definitely feels like it. And then we're going to open this up and then check it out. We have our manscaping tools. We got nail clippers, files, some other thing I have no idea what that is, tweezers, and some little scissors. I am going to put this away from everybody else and keep this for myself, put it right in my travel bag, and that will also come in a review to let you know the quality of these products, so make sure to look for that. Keep on going here, keep on trucking. We got the Manscaped Foot Duster Antifungal Foot Deodorant. Don't really, or hopefully don't have a fungus problem on my feet, but let's see if I can open this up real quick. Get an idea. After a shower or anytime you feel funky, spray a generous amount onto the feet. Let air dry for 30 seconds. So probably a lot like maybe some of those other sprays that are out there. But, I'm going to put it on my wrist. Put it on the other wrist. Has a clean scent, almost like an antiseptic type scent to it for sure. Yeah, almost like an antiseptic, not overkill though. Water, alcohol, dent, tea tree oil, bunch of different stuff in here, and some light. It actually has menthol in it, some light fragrances. That's pretty cool. Let you know how that goes. Finally. Now we're running here. This is a long unboxing video, so go ahead. Here's the final box. Came just like that, all packaged, and this is the part that I've been waiting for. This is the Manscaper. So you get a cool little travel bag here. At least that's what they sent me. So again, it feels almost like a leather, and everything says refining the gentleman Manscaped. Does it say leather on here? Nope, just says travel storage bag. But either way, really cool looking. Nice looking piece. A lot of really well made stuff, I will say that. You know, sometimes you get this stuff and it's really just garbage. This is not it. Now this is cool. It's actually a newspaper called Manscaped, the Daily News, balls to the wall. And I believe these are most likely a lot of the instructions, I'm guessing. How to release stuck balls. Oh my god. This is pretty funny. So okay, so I see a lot of this is all the same thing. They just use this, I believe, as packaging. Yeah, so this is just packaging, all the same thing, but they do it to make it look like a newspaper. That's really, really funny. About the cleansers and things like that. And then on the back it has some comics. I wonder if they changed it up or this is the one that they send. That's really cool. So also opening this up here, we have the Crop Preserver Anti-Chafing Ball Deodorizer. Okay, gonna try that too along with those other moisturizing pads. Let's see what this smells like. Just like a really light smelling, it just feels almost like a lotion. So that's kind of cool. Water and aloe, that probably feels pretty nice. Then we have the toner and refresher with active pH control. For anytime pick me up, spritz your goods once or twice. So that seems this is definitely 100% for the man. Also light refreshing smell. So I'm guessing that probably has some of the aloe in it too. Let's see if it even says. Water, aloe, leaf juice, denatured, dehydrated alcohol, fragrance. So that's pretty cool. Looking forward to trying that too. Just freshen up the junk from what they say. So ladies, if you're watching this and need an idea for a man, even just with the unboxing, I'm gonna go, this is a pretty, they got some really cool products that I think he would love. I know if I got this, I would be super shocked. So here, this is called the Plow, and they have really cool names for a lot of their products too. Little plastic travel case, and it comes with some extra razor blades in there, a little mirror that you see, as well as, oh, that looks fun and dangerous at the same time, as well as the true razor. So this should be interesting. Hopefully there's instructions how to do this, because you're using a true razor blade for this. So we're gonna try that, see how that works. Typically I keep this a lot like what you see, but also clean it up here and typically clean it up down here. So looking forward to trying that out. Again, awesome looking products, really cool. Here's the Plow, the how-to guide, how to not cut yourself in. So here it is, the Lawnmower 2.0 by Manscaped. Pretty cool. It says adjustable guide comb, new skin-safe anti-nick feature, snap-in blade, non-slip molded assembly, hyper-hygienic, 6,000 RPM motor, rechargeable USB, 60-minute usage on each full charge, 100% waterproof. Guess that means you can use it in the shower. Quiet stroke technology. I'm not sure what that means. It shows like a little vibrating thing. Uniquely designed for those hard to reach and sensitive areas, I guess both above and below the belt. LED charging indicator. You always need one of those. So again, pretty cool looking box. I'm really liking a lot of their stuff. Go ahead, pop that open. Alright, looks just like a pretty normal razor. So it comes with a little instruction manual, your personal care guide, shows you how to clean it. If you can see that there. So you got your little cleaning guide, all that fun stuff. And then we have this. Has this really smooth feel to it. I guess that's part of the waterproof design. It is charged a little bit. Don't know how long that charge would actually last. Most of these things are going to tell you to charge it fully before you try it. So that's pretty cool. I'm looking there. So I see metal on top like a lot of the other razor blades. And I'm not sure if you can see, with that on the front almost looks like a nylon or a plastic perhaps. And maybe that's one of the things that they use to, you know, keep it where it's not doing the nicking and stuff. Because the metal blades, if you ever tried that, oh man, that's bad news. And again, this is great for men. Of course, Manscaped. Not sure if this would work for women. I don't kind of see why not. If they want to try that, they can. If anybody that has used it, let us know in the comments below. And then you have a couple different heights right here, so they're double. So we got one that's a 6mm and one that's 3. You just flip the side, as well as a 12 and a 9, depending on what you are looking to cut. If you're going with 12mm below the belt, good luck with that. But I guess you can use it on other areas. And we got a little brush right here as well. So your little cleaning brush, that's included too. And then let's see on the bottom here, my favorite little carrying bag. So that will go nicely into that other little travel case that they sent. And then finally, what's in this bag? Let's see. Oh, what could it be? What could it be? It's your USB charging cable. So it's not one of those typical USB. It's not like a USB-C or like a standard USB, anything like that, like a micro. It is actually something that is kind of, I guess, unique to this, because you got the USB cable on one side, their little power adapter on the other side, so it's going to go right into place there. So you're going to want to make sure not to lose this. Keep it in the travel bag. That's the biggest thing. Otherwise, I'm really psyched. I'm going to give this a try. I'm kind of letting, you know, all this whole area nice and grow out and see how this performs. And I won't do it on video, but hey, I'll give it a shot below the belt just to let you know, what I think about it. Looking forward to trying all the stuff that they included. And then make sure you watch for the review coming soon. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click the little bell icon so you'll get the notification when that video is ready. Otherwise, I'm super stoked for the Manscaped, the Lawnmower 2.0. Not on video, not here. Anyway, we'll see you soon. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Alan. Take care.